on the beats.
Drop right there, bro.
What's going on, you guys? Today I am changing my crankshaft position sensor on my 05 E55. I still yet to do a review on this car, and it's because I had to do a couple minor things to it, like get new tires and a couple other things, change the oil, spark plugs. But now this crankshaft position sensor went out on me. 24th of, what is it, October? Almost Halloween. Spooky. Yeah, today we out here, we changing my crankshaft position sensor on my E55. If it ain't one thing, it's another. I just got new tires, and now my crankshaft position sensor, it burnt out on me. So if you guys know the symptoms of that, it's your engine, when it gets too hot, your engine doesn't crank. And yeah, that's horrible. We don't want that. So we're gonna fix that today. So here we are under the engine bay of the 05 E55. And we're about to get to this crankshaft position sensor. But first, so what we want to do is give ourselves some clearance. So we're going to press these little tabs right here. See that? Bam. Bam. The correct Mercedes term for this is the service position of the, all the way up, service position. So what we're going to do is we're going to start looping our engine cover and our intake. Set it to the side.
So how does it feel being able to work on your own AMG Mercedes?
It feels extremely, like, it feels right. That's the part. Yeah, it feels right, you know. It's like with these cars, like you don't want to have to pay those prices that, you know, the dealership they charge you, but you want your stuff done right when you know it's gonna be good, it's gonna last. You know, you can perform in the performance car it's supposed to be. Right. And you can do that if you know the avenues to go. You don't have to go to the dealer and pay the full price, you know. So just do research, study, you know, learn. Everything's a learning experience, you know.
Have you heard any of the current topics over the V8 or V6?
Yeah, I've been hearing all the speculations going on. You know where I'm at with it. You see me. You can see it on the side of the car. You know where I'm at.
That is not a 6, Chief. Not a 6.
Not a 6. Not a 6. No sir. It's the airbox system. You see that? We have the K&N filters in here.
Put it around your neck.
You feel me?
Look at the new chain. Oh, that's a pick or something. Drop right there, bro. I say you run it like that.
Start it up. Oh.
That's the problem. Not enough water in the intake.
Sensor. Right. So if you guys can see this wire right here, this is the heat shield. I already pulled mine's up. But if you follow this one, if you follow that down there, you'll see the plug, the little clip right there. Ooh, focus, 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 focus. That little black thing right there. I'll put an arrow on it. But yeah, it's easy to access once you take out this. What is that? Super slow? He is popping.
No, it might be something.
It might be a little something, huh? Might be a real super sport.
He popping every time. Oh, he popping right now.
Yeah, he definitely modified.
Let me hear it.
Show me something. that. That's the adapter with the heat shield. Now what? Shine back in there. Okay, now take a look at the plug. Now you'll see where the bolt is at the so tools that you might want to need, that you might want to use for the job are definitely some extensions, but I don't have extensions on me right now, so we're gonna try it without it. It's gonna be very, very difficult. But hey, we're gonna make it work till it hurt. I did pick up this E8 torque socket from Amazon. It was only like $4. We're gonna see how this does. I don't know, but it's an E8. The bolt is an E8 Torx bolt. So if you guys, there is the plug right there. It is. That's the sensor right there. Boom. And the bolt is under the sensor. You can't see it from this angle, but it's under that side. So that's why it's such a B word to get out. But we had to go to AutoZone to get an extension, and we got it right out with the extension. So I mean, if you have all the tools and you know what you're doing, I've done this job before, so it's like it's really literally a 10-minute job. So it's all uphill from here. I just flashed a light in my eye. That didn't feel good. Just like that, sensor come out, boom, a little bolt. Don't lose that. See if we can see some. Let me show you the sensor bolt. So all you need for this job is, this is a 6-inch extension, and what is this, like a 2-inch or something? Yeah, I just hooked those up, you feel me? Got a little swivel, and then your Torx E8 socket. 10-minute job. So if you have a Mercedes, like I said earlier, you're gonna want to keep an extra one of these with you somewhere in your car, because if they burn out without little to no warning, and they just burn out, you know. And symptoms could be just your car won't start when it's hot, when the engine is warm, or you just get rough engine running because it's not sending the correct data to the computer, so the computer doesn't know what to do and the car might shut off. That happened to me on the freeway. You don't want that no more. We're gonna avoid all that. All right, so just put the sensor back in the hole. Gotta feel around for it, be careful. Come on, there it is. There it is. There it is. Bam. Right in there. Boom. Good as new. Now you want to put your Torx bolt back in. That's self-explanatory. We're not gonna record that part because we're gonna focus on not dropping this here bolt right here.
Yeah, you don't want to drop it.
We'll come back in a little bit. Alright, so hand tightening the screws is kind of a little difficult, so what we did, we want to ghetto with it, put some little duct tape on it. Put some on the inside of the Torx, so on the head of the bolt and then around it, so just to make it a little easier so we can hand tighten it. So yeah, we got it in there, and now just putting the wire back on, covering it with the heat shield, and good to go. Start it up, clear the codes, boom. So yeah. Engine intake and stuff back together.
Finishing touch. You might as well sign it.
I'm the new tech on it, huh?
You might as well sign it. Put a little. You could make a little sticker over there, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, that'll be hard, bro. That'll be hard, bro.
Imagine having your tech right there, you know what I'm saying? Man, should be dope.
It would, bro. I might have to do that. Honestly, bro, because all this is about to be dipped.
See?
I gotta figure out what design I'm going with it, but that's gonna be dipped. This is gonna get painted. I can do that too. Me?
Must like it. These must be mine.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see if you could. What?
So right now we just scanning the codes, make sure we ain't got no codes, you know? No fault codes. It's good to go.
Means job complete.
That means, let's see. And this will go. Easy fix. I told you guys. Oh, yeah. Back on the road.
And you know it's a wave.
It's a wave.
And you know it's a wave.
It's a wave.
And you know we found our way.
We found our way.
And you know we found our way.
We found our way. It's a wave. It's a wave.
It's a wave. It's a wave.
And you know it's a wave.
It's a wave.
And you know we found our way.
Found our way.
It's a wave. She wanna ride. I got her wet. No slip and slide. It's a wave. It's a wave. It's a wave. It's a wave. I found my way. It's a wave. We found our way. It's a wave.